UML, or the Unified Modeling Language. Is a standardized modeling language consisting of an integrated set of diagrams developed to help system and software developers for specifying, visualizing, constructing, and documenting. It is a very important part of developing object-oriented software and the software development process.
DFD, or the data flow diagram. It is a graphical representation of the flow of data through information system. Components of data flow. 1. The process. 2. The flow. 3. The store. 4. The terminator. The process. How's the part of the system that transforms inputs into outputs. The flow. Represented by an arrow and shows the movement of information. The store. Models the collection of data packets that are at rest. The terminator. Represent an external entity with which the system communicates.
What is a flowchart? Flowchart is a diagram that shows the step-by-step process of a program. Composed of shapes to illustrate the process. Number 1, oval, represents the start and end on the flowchart. 2, arrow. The arrow shows the relationship between the shapes and connects the whole flowchart. Number 3, rectangle, represents the process. Number 4, diamond. A diamond indicates the decision in a flowchart. Number 5, parallelogram. A parallelogram represents the input and the output on the flowchart. Flowchart serves as the description of operation. Here's an example of a flowchart. We are all familiar to it.
Normalization. A database normalization is a systematic approach of decomposing tables to eliminate data redundancy and undesirable characteristics like insertion, update, and deletion of anomalies. Normalization is the process of organizing the data in the database. Here are types of normal form. First, normal form. Second, normal form. Third, normal form. First, normal form. It should only have single, atomic, valued attributes/columns. Values stored in a column should be of the same domain. All the columns in a table should have unique names. Second, normal form. It should be in the first normal form. It should not have partial dependency. Non-key attributes are fully functional dependent on the primary key. Third, normal form. 3NF is used to reduce the data duplication. It is also used to achieve the data integrity. It should be in the second normal form. Data normalization makes the information easy to understand and retrieve.
Entity relationship diagram. An entity relationship diagram shows the relationships of entity sets stored in a database. Entity relationship diagram. An entity in this context is an object, a component of data. An entity set is a collection of similar entities. These entities can have attributes that define its properties. Types of relationship. One is to one. One record in a table is associated with one, and only one record in another table. One to many. One record in a table can be associated with one or more records in another table. Many to one. One or more records in a table can be associated with one record in another table. Many to many occurs when multiple records in a table are associated with multiple records in another table. Entity relationship diagram is used to sketch out the design of a database.